Our existing The Room collection has been enhanced with 4 new tile proposals. This year, we have decided to focus on marble solutions that are original, distinctive, powerful, and in some way out of the ordinary. The first of these is this one, which is called Grand Antique d'Aubert. It is a French marble that is quarried in the northern Pyrenees. PANDA white is a marble that comes from the Far East and is characterized by a series of black sideways stripes, of varying size, on a bright white background. Black Dahlia. This is a marble we discovered in South America that belongs to the family of siliceous onyxes. It is a multicolor onyx that contains a wide range of colors, from ivory to white, violet to brown, and yellow to grey. Invisible white is a splendid Middle Eastern marble.